You sleepy?
Is that a carp?
Oh, looks like a bass. I can't really tell. Oh, where'd he go?
He's in the water there. See, look, there's two of them side by side now.
They're probably like, we're hauling ass.
Water fish are so fucking lean if they're always swimming against the current, man.
They're like, dude, we're hauling ass.
It's like, ride like the wind. Sorry, I totally forgot he had class.
Oh, these fish are so dumb.
Want to get him.
All of a sudden, I'm just afraid a gator's gonna...
He's like, shit!
He's like, hey, how are they doing that? They're like, you help me, I'll help you.
Yeah. I think they think they're hiding.
Come back with a net. A fishing net. Dude, Thomas should come out here with his fly rod.